konton nge bismillah bitiloto nsebula ni mol sinyo kontom ukola ngana dum kacha kono
abaraka baga nge konton ani la mo lalbe ka fo yon kontanta pour ka munna la plateforme
abaraka bake kex komen mbasata ka nyamen drong lafta bi drong ngamen kacha wole mu atenyin doyla nyin nyaton ka kutoti men kata nyin leadership transition di mealon ko wole be kekan patio nyin kono nyin tembenna ko ngasata nyamen kunum na kibaro to ngaje ko de Suwaibu Touré honorable Suwaibu Touré wole keta nyaton koti doy patio to kabin tumo menna congress nyin keta Musa Fanko nyine be kala signa floti nga nyaton ka soto doy même manke honorable Halifa Salati wara PDOIS wara Sidia Jata so aketa kudi malon ka kumata follow la fa mellonna pour isa fo molie ite nyin ko kara nyaadi le ko ngayta ni nyamen na imu kibata la kiba janjennalti bari fanan doy patio dingola fanan muidi la fa ke nyin ka menna ite nyin falingo kara nyaadi le anin yaji ko ay mun kumala soto patio e anin banko politiko nsa dati woro
ha baraka bake ko nga yafo nyama be wala nyama do nyin weekend tambila men kada sibili longodi itara no congress la me alon ko na constitutional la di molla ko sanjinane sita nga congress ke mol me alon ko ngeta ka central committee sol me alon ko nyanda ka patiola ke nyaton ko di sike moldi me alon ko be jibe la na jarta pour nge falen be falen na jarta fana nge tuje fana si tuje ndada wala nada leader kutota men ka mun ko honorable Suwaibu Touré wato men Halifa Sallah ning Sidia Jata ya yantandiko tele mo le mele alan ko safo e kato kenyim banko ele ye do ko ken do dinno le karande mele alan ko jigita ko biti lola wol fanal bulo fa batale pour ka tambi nyaado aka patiola afia samba nyaato ndu dalbe kala molti mele alan ko sel fanal be ko masiran tala wala be kudo tala men fanal mo gambela na faale aka bo kedam fanal nada Suwaibu tombon ka ke doy la secretary general de e sa wali nyol ke chairman de mele alan ko Saida Sidia noto ol be mo funding ke de mele alan ko safo mo le mele alan ko fanal meta patio ko ndu patiola tare ko bayri do mo fennede mi alon ko men kafu nyoma wala nyinde ko patiola programs and the policy no momo tara fo understand like isitamino nyato le it's not about personality and wala dina Suwaibu tamino Suwaibu fana mo molti mi alon ka manke mondin di patiodi made a patio kono since the inception of the party I tare ko long I patiola silo lombe para londo soto mi alon ko londa durkare mbalen ni nata la professional la fa wala personal safono men ko la karan wala bundala anata ke député na Sanje Jamal ndo meta contest la fana do Sanje Jamal wo mo mola de mi alon ko jigida kay tare ko baraka munta ko han say rek doy kilimo la bije ya Halifa Sallah mel Sidia Jata nyole won say ye fonyo manke party leader de bada dozen min ko they are not members of doy wala bije rek bar Sidia mo mola Suwaibu fana mo molti mi alon ko alhamdulillah ay londo soro ni na da banko la karola ni banko men sa samba no nyaar
okay so laftala doron yafo molie lafta nyar do mandi mbe nyinin kala Halifa ni honorable Sidia ila ko be tembo men do patio kono nyar do mandi mina kono bari pour mol men man Suwaibu long ya do mandi ngo fole ko mole me alon ko député wala mata meda patio kono mo mosi fale mati nin ko mo mosi falem ala politiko ejikita ko abe nyaadile in terms of ala miranya isafo mole Suwaibu mo mosi falati nyim nyaato ka kuto me alon ko doye wala tambindi tay
baraka baga Suwaibu ni ba fola ay safono ko mole me alon ko tubabul ka fo me very humble individual ni nata ka jibi ani momo do ko ke bo yantandile la ko is very very humble aya fanji ba kelen dum mulla mo laare fanati mo me alon ko akela mo bela ndene Suwaibu ka sile wato don ngata je me bi ngako do je me alon ka tiaje nyaado nyama man ndemaje o nyama ngasi ngakacha ngaje wato do la kan na kuolta hanin la sibito be sibito men kan baya non farato ngako do le je me alon ko laftan na ya kacha an ngabuko ele bebe kacha kan be na ideal dika and he takes my ideas ngala ideal ta so one character te me babala ni nata jibe fana la dularo mi alon ko boda wolto wulli mol nata ka ke modi mi alon ko la tala baake la tala nyato ko yala wala tinna ni nata jibe kabil last election hane obe campaign men be kada je to the ruling government pour ka kol kada pour ka bondalo sidla nyente ma bondo no la siran kam because of mo mo le mi alon ko banko dingol la hakolo alo mo wullin ko la hakode ka batara député bungo fana kada modi mi alon ko wulli ta mo fen fen da murundi mala ni nata tari ko do jibe baja tel kada député folor mi alon ko la constituency development fund 100% a be muta murundi wullin kol kan fata da fire fansun kodo lafaji aka trakitol samme ko de lorum pour sate o molle ani men sula da bullo le tay trakito ñu luwasi san so say tay berol bi wala kenyol bi ni mela fa ko bola fa ne dabo ka bale tay ko boke awo san spena la ko do dundi je ay leptanol muta ke sponsor je bo holol wol amba han kayantandi la ko bankola constituency la form mo fa fenda ka so do député bodo awo muta ke je be para na da fon yele fana me alon ko da fana kala do man tala sarari kono ka muta ka ke wulli is development fund pour wulli dingol fana si famuta no so ni na daw jibe o be mo mole de me alon ko aka munta ko ni bala leadership fo wala ba fo ko suebu mo mole de me alon ko he believe in people centered development ka ndandi la ko hadama daga penti me alon ko ni amoy banko tada rek hadama dingol le developta ani hadama dingol develop banko fankadala te believe ta wala ndo wala nake empower ka ndandi le basic needs sol mo fendi me alon ko ay si wo soto no ni wo soto rek ka munta develop tale ba ni mo soto no abe kole ala pour jada kende asoro abe kole ala pour nyaato ta soro je bayri la basic needs sol mo fenne de me alon ko e fota wala ni ba caractère ko sidia mo mole de me alon ko suyebu mole de me alon ko c'est visionary person mo me alon ko vision o soto pour ka banko samba no nyaato ndunga ya o demonstrate le even ala deliberation on in parliament men ka la mo he is very progressive person in terms of thinking how he think is progressive ke mira ko mensi banko bondi no nyaato wala ka kala deliberation when it comes to national issues so akamunta that is his ideology of a progressive nation Kola poetry kola fana yanta ni mulla humbleness has been ever since his character and Mola is a very good listener and mo ba characterized and he have all the qualities of a leader.
So lafa ke nyinin ka menna ya honorable Halifa Sallah fo janne ya Sidia Jara fanam fo wol kera multiminalon ko fo sanji jama molie don doy long wollel fe wollel ka patio ni nyaton kaya anim fanam patio fanan na tarango Kenya be laringi to lel bulu lafa ke nyinin ka menna suwebu ning honorable Halifa Sallah nin Sidia e mulu nyata fanna karajumale la anin ifatata karajumale itala miroro
nyil mol ni nate jibe ya koro stari koro me nyil kafo Halifa man Sidia man Halifa long wato men na doybe establish le ni Halifa la tari ko moy kayan dandila ko ate abe karawla non tuba abdule mona da bulu choda la kayan dandala ko ni da Gambia mo be je me alon ko jigira ka defana mo mole de me alon ko ke mira nyame afana ke mira wala nyama kada fo sam sar nyol so kabana da jam ani ni mol na da nyolo sita aje ko nda lafta Gambia sifa men na kamunda ni mol fanal be wala ka me alon ko lafta banko la me alon ko banko be dola banko di amanke ko me banko me alon ko banko di ngol be dola banko e bar banko be kala modi me alon ka be do kula banko di ngol ka make sure that ko la basic needs all will provide me alon ko ka for a socialist nature of governing me alon ko you provide all the social needs of a citizens esaja wol fanal la wululal si prepiano to serve their quota to the national development need for a better education, so a better health service. Sort of all these things has to be provided by the state. So wala na ni yetel la mo kayantandila ko the ideology or the terminology in may use kayantandila ko. Don't ask what your country can do for you, but ask what you can do for your country. They believe that is a wrong connotation use. So it's a idea it's a government whereby the government must provide all the needs of a citizen. Neo provided the father a level where he can render service to the state, then the person will also do it at the best of his ability. So nyile kafunyo maila idea momenti wala nyindiko they believe that ko banko titano ni banko dingol man sembo so. But ofanate kwenola fonatra banko dingol banko de kamo betel. So nyile kera quality melalonko ni nata jibe nyine quality melalonko. Nsafon they are similar in idea and the ideology. So personal maybe they have their personal difference. But when
I just realized that lafa ke nyinin kanu menna suwebu ning Halifa ning Sidia fatata nyoye nyamen. I just realized that nkole ko Sidia ning Halifa. So what I meant is how similar and different is Suwebu from the past leadership. What I'm trying to understand here is, do we expect to see continuity? By continuity, I mean coming a PDIS to nyamen nekila kulu samba nyamen. Or do we expect to see reform? Do we expect to see change in terms of the direction of the party?
Yeah, in terms of direction of the party, there is something that binds us together, and that's the ideology of PDOIS. So whoever is coming to the PDOIS, because you buy that ideology, you accept that ideology of how we. So, but in the manners and the way do you execute those ideologies might differ. Maybe previously you look at a very rare period meeting with the Tantan from Kosiji. But now as we are evolving we are moving sanka tanta on samba dulal don ka entertainment ko we do certain things wato le modol ya fo intara because mbukala fika mol disturb bukata fan kata ka tabiri bal ke mol ya ke bulay beni sol sanne be fawol sanantel nina domol joral be kata, but now you have seen that we are now socializing with the people that we go in kata jen ka domorol di nka na dapanso di le ka tabiro ke mol, so things will evolve. So Suebu Tufana might have his own approach as a Secretary General in terms of how do you mobilize supporters for the people, whether Fabekala town hall meeting constantly, or how Abekala Mentibans Qatar to meet communities whereby you have community theaters. So the approach might be different, but at the end of the day, what is important is the ideology of the party, and that will never change. Because that's what binds us, all of us together, that idea of socialism whereby a state must function for the people of the Republic of the Gambia. So what that will always be remain the same, but in terms of the approach might differ, and I think that Syria has different approach. Even if you look at his political campaign and the way he does his politics in his constituency, when he's a parliamentarian, when he's contesting for the parliamentarian, and you compare it in the manner and the way Doi is doing it when we have a presidential candidate of and Syria Jaira differ. So, but that's the ideology of do you do it. So they might differ in those things, but we believe that with a coming of Suebo and other things, and with the young people embracing this thing, I think you will see young people, and Suebo will be working together to make sure that how much we amass the support of Doi. And then we will have a mass approach, because last time Kabin Winter is telling that maybe before end of next week he will call a meeting whereby he will now push his agenda to the members of DOI to tell him that this is my direction for the party for the next 4 years of leadership. So that's so sweet that is ready to keep moving the party forward.
Okay. So ye funding ke wala ko fajang ngalon ko Gambia banko kam ninke mamu e ko sidla ta woro be mu banko fandi e wol mu funding ke wala de sanji moni lulu ni sanji tan sabani lulu tema. So malong itela miro do ye mung doy swebula nyaton kaya koto aliye mung fere la soto pour ka jiko de aliye doy wafino banko funding ke olma, because jamalu kam memuta wole muko doy has not really succeeded in kind of selling their agenda successfully. I don't know what your opinion is that to young people over the years. So I don't know, do you expect to see a shift in terms of ka young ka di funding ke ulta ke sabanan ke dundi pati okono anim fanang itala miro ro be keno la nyadi.
Yeah, actually, I might differ with the people's opinion. Doesn't ne Gambia there is no symposium for the past years. Is all me along containing Halifa can move. Either symposium kada any school sojang. Halifa must be the guest speaker or Sida Jada must be the guest speaker. And I believe that if you don't buy the ideology of people, you will not go and call them to inspire you, to tell you things that will shape your future. Yeah, meeting all them, graduation all them, BMO jambang, seminar level, workshop all them. Most of the time, they are either the speaker or they are the guest of honor. So that shows you that the young people believe in the ideology of PDOIs, but why do they don't actually put this into votes? You will also attribute it to so many factors. Doi has abandoned his political party for 15 good years. Doi was not campaigning under a Doi platform, but they were trying to unify this nation so that we have a coalition that would have removed Jammeh here from NATO United Front, from United Front to coalition 2016, which we eventually succeeded. And people fail to understand that for 15 years, Doi has abandoned the political party. First, they supported Ahmad Ba in the NAD coalition to show that we must unite together. And they were campaigning under the platform of NAD. Mbodajendara United Front, where Halifa leads, at the same time, we were there campaigning on the United Front platform. But a coalition 2016, you never heard of the agenda of Doi. So by 15 good years, we were not talking. And how many elections do we contest? Since the independence, how many elections do Gambia participate in? Near is almost 6 or 7. So by only Doi contested in 3 of them. So the other ones were more of a coalition, not a party, 2 of them. The rest were only a party, a coalition led. So we were not talking on the party platform. To effect the system, regime change so that Gambians know that they can change the ballot, because for the history of this country, Gambia has never changed through a ballot box. Jammeh Kudeta Ya Jammeh. Ya Jammeh was here for almost 25 years until we came together. So we want at least Gambia to have that test that their power, their voters card can remove a president here. And we have achieved that, and we have achieved what we call the regime change. Now the next phase is now for Gambian people to know they own this country. And that's an education, because people who didn't actually understand that, because they never change a government through the ballot box, it will take them time to actually understand it. So that has been a factor that they also abandon their party for the interest of this country. And that has made us not to amass as much as possible. But we are telling Gambian people, come and join the coalition 2016, rather than come and join the PDOIs as a political political party. But you see that after the change and after what we have yearned for Masoto, you will see that people now understand that DOI has been principled. They could have taken minister position and enjoy like other ministers are, other party leaders are enjoying. But we have a principle and people believe in this principle. And I think that now with a young person who is the youth coordinator of West Coast region being elected, has the secretary to the Youth Bureau of People Democratic Person, 23 years old, person will actually show us that those people believe in the young people and giving that person that such position to be sitting with Suebu Toures and the other people at the central committee making decision, and also creating the Youth Bureau whereby we will amass young people to be engaged in a symposium and education and also to be part of the inter-party youth committee. I think that young people will now have belief, and this is our task. And I told the lady that we are here to make sure that we amass as much as young people because they believe in us. I have so many young people that I talk to, they tell me that we believe in your political consciousness, we believe in your political education, and I didn't have this anywhere in the street. I have it through DOI. So if those people believe that, I think I can at least convince those people to come and join DOI. And I'm sure that now, seeing the realities and DOI, what they have been preaching, I'm believing that your people, come 2026 election, you will see so many young people that will be vying for the PDOIs.
Kex, nkana dum mtafo mbe 2026 kono nkana bula carte fay sisino kono itala doy la simfamu menedi ibitale kalo ifaye bang foybe so la foy parete la kaso parti ko tengol kan ka coalition lo ya fo janne ko santambilan kono carte fay tambilan kono I dabulata coalition jamalel kono kabidin nat lembang fo coalition 2016 lembang ani coalition ko tengol yemenu sate jam doy nyinan sango I hamo munedi ite amira ko al pareta ka mun simfalata kalu al fama bang ka nyini bang fo al be parene pour al ni moko tangole sonyo kam.
No, okay, and Teo Bailano, we are in our follow ever since, and even before the changes, we are already any light-minded Gambia. Me and believe in this system change. We need to change the system that will keep us poor for how many years? That make the country so indebted to the extent that we are indebted up to our neck. Has to change. That's not the way and the manner how a country is governed. And we believe that with any party me is thinking in that direction, we are ready to partner with them in form of a coalition, in form of an alliance, in form of a tactic. We are ready to partner with Gambian people. War has ever been our agenda. And if you look at our Congress, we have a resolution that was passed to say Team Gambia 2016. And that Team Gambia 2016 is to at least give Halifa and Sidi Ajata the opportunity to talk to the Gambian people that believe that change must happen in 2016, to come together and form what we call Team Gambia, that will bring all the opposition parties under one umbrella to contest against the president, incumbent president. And if that call is succeeded, I'm sure DOI will definitely join.
Mbarigolu olemu kemisen keksanati natel be kajakang memen kachakang wolemu atenying DOI la congress ti mealonko wole kumfata tembe kajake kan Suwaibu Toure la mealon ka telemu patio la nyatum ka kudoti atele seda honorable Halifa Sallah Noro ka ke patio la secretary general di kex ngalon wato mantare bulu so mbenyin tarian la domandindoron la fake nyininka menna ye honorable Halifa Sallah fo jang ye Sidia Jata fo jang janimbe bula la fake nyininka menna sayin itolu lonya patio to obeje nyaadile ye da bondi politiko kono le mumela ke bang ye da bondi patio la ko kono mumela ke bang ela ko be larim bulu jumaldo.
No, nimme Congress la moye bela a statement on moela when they were going. Ye dani role fanke doye bulu ka andandila ko itole manke modi mi alan ko koto da CD la kuma kama andandila ka man koto ko ansa londo babul. Bara lata ko ay molle fanal karandi sanji tan nane mo me patio lo. Ajikira ka ay molle karandi mele alan ko sa biti lo wol fanal la londo yurukata bage. Pour sike modi mele alan ko ay si patio la agenda push nole. Itole fanal sida contribute to other factors of the society, but o martin na manke doye dingoti. Hani biti lo letel mu doye dingoti mo PDOIS dingolti, and they will contribute towards the success of PDOIS. Halifa fanala di amo kona nyine yantandina ko lafta purali yamfanya rek nga Team Gambia kafu nyoma ngajibe fonsi fensoro no mealonko be tariko dila doyla be tariko dila Gambia bela kantandila kon kafuta no nyoka nga kuke mealonko wala be Gambia bondila na jebar hani sa entemo doy dingolete ndumbe continue la kake doy dingote manke ko nim palaso be bulle nyanda ka contribute wala mu doy dingote hani palaso te bulu mayri modol be patiol kono mealonko palasi te bulu je, but they are still members of doy. So nyil be hani bitilo le be mu doy dingolete they are either being advisory role, or they will play other parts of the development of the party. But still within the party.
Okay. Kex, namane bula dorong, ise hekaru dorong, because lafanga menkacha, mu your take on this, just 2 questions on this nying special tribunal me alon ko wala lo. Pour ka te nying jamme era crime sol menkera tajirinta ni tilimbale adi men sota jambela maralo kono gambe banko kan ko nga fale nyam bi wala keda na kunto kibaroti nga jele ko Ministry of Justice ni kuke nyolu ye kiti bun kutole lo pour ka kiti ndirike tajirinte al ntilimbali ala men sota president koto jambela maralo kono gambe banko kan ko tiara siya afo nyame wara tiara siya la ni nyame la fake nyininka menna katabake itala mirodo nyinge mun kumaya la soto kaje ko de konti boye soto bari kaje ko tonya fana yelo ko tiara siya kani nyame
womu fenne de me alon ko niko banko en akafunyo me kafumene reconciliation fo toñal lese finti non toñal te finti la no foni tata nin kiti bunto silola mi alan ko le ba yantandila jumale toñandiro ke da nyaadi la fo esene ya mol ma den wato esena yam fo dane no esena mol reconcile no so akamunta ko nina tan transitional justice la mi alan ko nga gambenol lahidi wala kabini coalition 2016 taro ke kayantandila ko ambe transitional justice lo lambe TRC lo amba establish la toñal mele toñandirol ke yaaje mele jamano ko be fintinde loi be butela mol men fanal yalan ko loi e tora be compenser lambe kuol kele wolbe mu felle men ko lahidol la so pour ni banko ye united no jane ba fala mo le nga kafunyo ma fo sinyin bundal le mu da yelo no mo be ya toña tiyo ala toña long toñandir la fana yala toñandiro long dane bo jiso nyabula men na fana yo mare jiso jambu nyole bajala ko sai ni ko mole ko alna nga kake nyodi ko kata nyim pati fulol be wol bebe container bajala men toñande o balo na ko nganna toña sotole men fana ya lon ko atele toñandiro ga fana balo na ko toña nga toñandiro leke ndum be yam fo danila den o kamale sina jibe no be banko reconcile bar wote keno la fana tata ni luwa bunto silol la pour fana fa ye men fo wala nyin ko has ever been the slogan of the election 2025 me alan ko kera coalition so bo never again bo achieve la nyamen fonsi tanen bunda la wala silo le tano mele alan ko luwa e wolle fo ka yandandila ko nsinyo nsalo men nyanda ka ani men manyana ka men dunta mento pour nsi woke fenti me alan ko ba kisi la pour ngalo so wolbe mo felle de mele alan ko ni ko pour so manyin kusi fa men ka da kana ke fosi bunda lelo melbe mol fatandila kusi fa la pour so ma kana senka so e bo keno la nyamen fosi luwa la busol le ye modol lipa wala pour wal salon ko menke kunun amu fenne de men ko ne luwa manta nyola so e bajala dote suman bani mo ke yabulo nyama so ni special criminal division o men ko loda o be kala woldi ka tajarente wal melalon ko e kulke aka andandila ko e menke kunun amu fenne de men ko ne silo manta nyola del fanal be simfal mental je o simfal taje so aka munta ko dal wala ko woldi melalon ko wala ferol di men man sakunda e wala landi ni wato ko
abaraka bake kebe sen keksane mbadingolu wole mun luntangoti nu jang bitiloto nga jayi nga tentu ay wato menta kakafuma bitiloto jang keks it's always a pleasure keso do bitiloto jang mba fole ko abaraka bake ye wato menta kakafuma abaraka bake
thank you
abaraka mbadingolu ngal jayi ngal tentu alala mo kunyima